Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Kdenlive application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account within this platform. So let's get started right away. If you want to create your own account and register on the Kdenlive application, then open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kdenlive.org and press enter. This will take you into the Kdenlive official website. Now from the homepage, you can find the Made by KDE section at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the KDE website. Here you can find the join option at the top. Click on this, and then you can either become a member or provide a one-time donation to sign up to your account. Once you have chosen your donation, click on your preferred payment method, and now you will simply need to log into your payment method in order to complete the transaction. So if you have chosen PayPal, for instance, then you will just need to log into your PayPal account. Proceed with entering your credentials to log into PayPal, and once you complete the transaction, the sign-up page will be unlocked in the fourth step. On this step, you can type in your preferred email address and set up your desired password for your account. Make sure to also check your inbox within the email address that you have chosen to see if you can find any activation link. After you complete your donation and enter your email address and password, your sign-up is completed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Kdenlive. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.